Hello, to clean storage on your Apple Watch Series 10, first of all, I will highly recommend you to click on the side button and enter for settings. And right here, we will have to go into the storage. So we have to go for general. And there's the storage. So we have to take a look actually for all of this data. As you can see in my case, the podcasts, maps, workouts, this is like all apps that take the most of the storage. But when you go right here, you can actually find this, specific storage occupied by other things like media, photos, apps. So in my case, I will have to just simply uninstall some apps. And to do this, I have to just click and hold on the application that I want to remove. And now I can simply click X, like for example, maybe on this application. Then I have to scroll down and click to the delete application. And you can also do the same, for example, if you have music on your device, or for example, you can actually find it in the library. Or for example, if you have photos, so the gallery will be, wait a minute, I cannot find it. Okay, it's just right here. So if you have some photos right here, then you can also remove them. And it looks the same actually for some messages and calls history. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.